Guys, I want you to pay attention to this tweet. Pay close attention and follow me while we analyze this together. Now, they made a post yesterday saying that dreams come true, but only if you survive the task, in quotes, stage. Now, when you look at these three symbols here, you see a complete circle, half circle, and a piece of the circle here. And this was named dream, this was named project, and this was named task, right? Now, in mathematics, we all know that this is a complete circle, right? This is half, which is also regarded as the diameter of a circle. And then this is the radius of a circle. And since we are talking about circle here, the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, pi radius square. That is a complete area. To find the area of a circle, you need pi in the formula. And we all know that there's only one cryptocurrency that has that symbol. And then Binance only talks about crypto-related topics. So what makes sense here? We are seeing the radius here, we are seeing the circle, we are seeing the diameter. What else would make sense if not pi network? So it is so obvious that Binance is talking about pi network coins. Moreover, they laid emphasis on tax right here, and then the radius here is holding the task. And in that same formula, which is A equals to pi r square, radius is right after pi. So just connect the dots, guys, and see what they're trying to do. This is just a cryptic message. They are fond of doing this thing every single time. They'd like to drop hints when something massive is about to happen. And if it is not worth the while, do you really think that Binance will go out of their way to come up with this creative post about Pi Network? Of course not. It definitely means that Pi Network is a big deal to Binance right now. That is the reason why they are going through this trouble to pass this message across. And then again, a few days ago, Elon Musk quoted these tweets made by Farmart Library, so recent. And what were they saying? If you look at this image right now, you're going to see V equals 4/3 pi r cube. This is obvious, right? There's still pi right here. What exactly are they trying to tell us? What exactly are they trying to tell us, guys? If you have an idea of what exactly you think they're trying to tell us, kindly just tell me in the comment section what you think this is. Guys, this is clearly a sign that something big is coming for Pi Network. And Binance is part of those big things that are about to happen with Pi Network. That is what I believe. That is what I can see right in front of me right now. I don't know about you, but right now, that is all I see. I see huge potential. I see something very massive happening. Now, one thing you should also have in mind, as I said in the last video that I posted yesterday, that exchanges are mainly interested in the volume that a particular coin can bring in for them. And we all see the massive volume that Pi has been pulling since it launched. That is one other major reason why I think Binance is going to be listing Pi Network coins, because Pi Network is pulling a lot of volume. Even if right now, as we speak, Pi Network is down, just retracing, it is normal in the market for it to retrace. It's going to go back up. One more spike, Pi starts trending again, and people start coming in. But well, when we look at the general crypto market right now, you're going to see that Bitcoin is down 0.17% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is also down 1.17% in the last 24 hours. And then when you go down to Solana right now, you're going to see that Solana is down as well. The three top coins, as far as I'm concerned, it might not be arranged that way because of the market cap, but I consider these three coins the top coins in the crypto space. Well, but now back to the main topic, right? Pi Network. When you scroll all the way down, you're going to see that Pi Network is still holding strong that position, the 11th position, of which I believe that is about to flip Tron in a few days from now. Take note of that. Now, Pi Network is at the 11th position right now with a market cap of $13 billion and the volume of $593 million. It is down, really down. Now, when you click on Pi, when you click Pi open right now, and then you look at the fundamentals, right, you're going to see that the market cap is currently $13.13 billion right now. That is down 3 0.58%, and then the volume is down, crazily down, right? 32% down. It is really down. But then we're going to see a spike very soon after the correction, right? Then the FDV is 185, right? The volume / market cap 4% in the last 24 hours. Now, the supply is still pegged at 7 billion for now. For those of you that don't know what supply is, this is the total amount of Pi in circulation right now that is out there for exchanging. This is the total amount that is out. Now, let's go to the market now and look at the exchanges individually. I'm going to see OKX is the number one exchange that is holding Pi right now with the volume of $127 million, followed by BitGet, which is the second, holding the volume of $151 million. Now MEXC is also right after with a volume of 68, but then Gate.io has $200 million right now. So the rest are very kind of low. So everything all together will give you about $591 million, right? Which I just think it's just, a correction, correction. So guys, brace yourself because something is about to happen. Now, one piece of advice that I'm about to give you is for those of you that have your Pi network in your possession, as soon as Binance lists Pi network, this is not a financial advice by the way, but that's what I'm going to do. As soon as Binance lists Pi network, try to take some profits because there's going to be a huge pump. So by the time you see that huge pump, take some profits and then hold on to the rest. That is my own move. That is my game plan. And I should tell you as my community that you should also have that game plan as well. Now let's look at the updates. Now when you come to the Binance Square right now, this article was posted about 15 hours ago as of the time of making this video. This person is saying that Pi network surpasses Shiba and XRP. The crypto world never sleeps, and neither does the race for dominance. In a surprising turn of events, Pi network has overtaken Shiba Inu and Ripple, which is XRP, in a key category, social media influence. Now, with over 4 million followers on X, formerly Twitter, Pi network is proving that it's no longer a speculative project, but a serious contender in the space. Now, this tweet made by Pi network that said, Pi network now has over 4 million followers on X. Congratulations to everyone in the Pi community for supporting Pi and blah, blah, blah. Now, the followers are increasing rapidly. They now have over 4 million followers on X. Huge community, strong community, and we all know how relentless the Pi community is, which is also a very strong sign in crypto. Community is key when it comes to cryptocurrency. We know that. Now, Pi network's popularity is soaring, obviously. It has been trending back to back now. Now, launched nearly 6 years ago, Pi network aimed to make crypto mining accessible to everyone, which they successfully did, right from their smartphones. While many were skeptical at first, the project has continued to build momentum with millions of users joining its ecosystem. So Pi network is really, really impressive, guys. Just be open-minded, guys. One thing I will always tell you is that cryptocurrency is unpredictable. But with everything about Pi network right now, there is a high chance that it's going to come out good than bad. But then you should be open-minded because I am open-minded. I'm a crypto trader. I've been a crypto trader for years, so I'm open-minded. But at the same time, I have strong faith in Pi network, and I think you should too. So guys, if you like this content that I just put out, kindly hit that like button for me and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing contents like this one. So guys, that will be the end of today's video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. But until then, bye for now.